So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Again, in this video I am going to make lot more things. This is the third part of Jarvis. In the previous video I made lot of
Good
functions.
afternoon, boss.
I have
It's
modified it
12:33
quite
p.m.
little.
I am Jarvis, boss. Please tell me how may I help you?
Open Google,
What can I search for you, boss?
New Delhi.
So guys, in this video I will modify and make fully automated play song function. That is, I will define a songs query and it will take command from us in lowercase, and from pivot kit it will play a song. That is song. If you not seen my pivot kit previous video, you can just say it. It will be in the I button or in the description. So I defined it and fully made it automatic. That is, I defined the it will speak me which song shall I play, and it will play that song only. So let's test
Good
it.
afternoon, boss. It's 12:38 p.m. I am Jarvis, boss. Please tell me how may I help you?
Play a song.
Which song shall I play for you, boss?
Believer. Search it here. See guys, that is song only. I will close this. Now it is perfectly alright. Now let's move on to the further functions.
Now let's do the further functions here. Now I will define a stopwatch or a timer in query. It will set me a stopwatch, or it will be remind me after how much time I told it. So let's define it. If timer or stopwatch in query, it will speak me for how many minutes shall I set, or whatever you want you can type, it will speak. I will just type for how many minutes, and I will I will define timing is equal to, that is guys, we need to replace what we said in query, that set time watch or what. So I am trying to replace it. Timing is equal to timing dot replace minutes. That means for how many minutes it will ask, and I will say it, that is 5 minutes, 4 minutes, 1 minute. It will replace minutes, minute and seconds. So let's run this. Let's replace everything. It is a very necessary step guys, otherwise it will throw you an error, which might not be good for our Jarvis. So I will define another one, that is, it will sleep in the remaining time. When our timer is active, then it will say that our time is over, or same like this only. I will define it. So that is means guys, I am setting time to 60 seconds for a minute. So it will speak me, I will remain you, and that means how much second or how much minutes you told, it will convert it into seconds, and it will tell you in how many seconds it will remain you. And after that it will go on to sleep mode, and after that time it will say your time is over. So let's do this. I should define time function here, but I accidentally used timing function, so it is throwing me error. Then later I managed it. Then afterwards it will speak me that your time is over. So now I
Good
resolved
afternoon,
the error,
boss.
that is
It's
time is equal
12:47
to 8.
p.m.
Now let me
I
run
am
this.
Jarvis, boss. Please tell me how may I help you?
Remind me or timer
For how many minutes?
1 minute.
I will remind you in 60.0 seconds.
A few moments later.
Your time has been finished.
So guys, it is telling me correctly. Now I will down this again and again. It is
See, after 1 minute, I can't show you 1 minute because the video will be lengthy. It remind me correctly after 1 minute. If you want, you can try this at home. Very easy. Now I will do some things that is, it is a headache for us to again and again stop this means end program. So I will define it an automatic quit function in which it will automatically exit this mode and it will finish the code. That means it will exit from the code. So I will define if quit or exit in Jarvis close inquiry. It will just close. It will just ask us that do you want really me to close, or likewise what you can want, you can make it to speak. I will just speak, make it to speak, do you want to close me. So after that it will take means it will take command from us. That is, I will define query is equal to take command. That means if I say no, it will say just say process cancelled and it will continue listening. That means it will speak process cancelled, or you can say just leave it as it is or continued, whatever you can type that. Or else if I type so if I say yes in command, it will tell me, that means it will ask me that do you want to close me. If I say yes, then I will define a hour function. That is, if hour is means it is a datetime.now.hour is a function that is a current time. It will detect the current time in an integer format. Then if hour is means midnight 12 to and evening 6, it will tell me have a nice day. And it is over evening 6 to midnight, no, midnight 12 o'clock, it will say me good night. So I will define this. If you want, you can, otherwise you can just, if async query, just you can go to and you can just type a exit command. I doing it because I want to make my Jarvis very advanced, same as Iron Man's Jarvis. Then it will just type sys.exit. That means it will exit the process.
this once again.
Good afternoon, boss. It's 12:55 p.m.
Good night or
I am Jarvis, boss.
What you
Please
want,
tell me how may I
speak,
help you?
can speak.
Jarvis
Just
close.
I typed it. That way.
Do you want me close?
Yes.
Have a nice day.
So it is executed successfully without any error. So now let me do when it works.
See guys, it is working properly. Now let me define some more functions. That is what means a joke function or else whatever. Now let me do elif. It is necessary. Now I will define closing application command. That means in a previous video, and that means in first video I opened application using voice command, but to close it we need to type manually or we need to click manually, but I will make this as a voice command. So let me run this also. For this, just elif close notepad. Because I just opened notepad and Chrome, I just do this for those two. If you open any other application, you just say means you just type their path direct, not path directly, just their name, and just type this command, that is os.system task kill. That means it will kill the task, it means close the task. That is task kill dot notepad.exe. if you are opening anything that is pdf reader or of pdf reader.exe, you just type its name. And I opened chrome also in that video, so I am closing chrome also. It will speak me closing. So same function os.system just task kill, or if I am dot chrome.exe, just the same function guys. After this you need a tell a joke. You just import a module, that is PyJokes. It is a very small module, it will be installed very soon. Just go to terminal and just paste this, it will install it in a while. Just import this. Sorry guys, due to some error I can't able to show the output of PyJokes. I will show its output in next video. Till then stay tuned. That means in query, if I say tell me a joke, it will tell a joke. I will define function for it. Joke is equal to PyJokes dot get joke. That means it will get me a joke for me and speak joke. If you want it, you can just print also. I am using because I like it. Now guys, it's testing time. Now let's test everything. See, before that I will show you whatever I did today. If you want to shut down on another function, that is if you want shut down or restart or sleep the system, just copy this command. I recorded, but due to some error I need to delete this. That means background disturbance was there. Just copy those code. I will give you the source code of this video in the description.
Good afternoon, boss. It's 1:11 p.m. I am Jarvis, boss. Please tell me how may I help you?
This is the command, very easy command. Shut
Open
down.
Google.
Now it's testing time.
What can I search for you, boss?
New Delhi. Play a song. Play a song.
Which song shall I play for you, boss?
Believer.
Say that again, please.
Set timer.
Say that again, please.
Jarvis set timer.
For how many minutes?
For 1 minute.
I will remain you in 60.0 seconds.
A few moments later.
Your time has been finished.
So it is working properly. Our next function is closing application. So for that, first I need to open applications. Open Notepad.
Opening, boss.
Close Notepad. Close Notepad.
Okay, sir, closing.
Open Chrome.
Opening, boss.
Close Chrome.
Okay, sir, closing.
That is it for today guys. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more parts of Jarvis and more advancements. So if you like this video, like and share with your friends so that they can also make this. I will give you the source code of this video in the description. You can just check it below. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.